guys, and welcome back to Craftmas. I cannot believe we are almost done. This is ornament number 22 out of 24 ornaments in our Craftmas ornament series. I hope that you've been enjoying making these ornaments with me. This particular ornament was a lot of fun because you got to use some of those fun extra features on your sewing machine that we so rarely use. If you don't have that feature on your sewing machine, then you can just make a simple Christmas tree just like this one. And since Christmas is around the corner, I hope that you've done your Christmas shopping. If you have not, check out my description down below and I have a bunch of fun coupon codes there for you if you are doing any extra last minute shopping. Some fun ideas would be subscriptions, because those you don't need to wait to come in the mail for you to gift that to your friend or family member. And let's jump into this tutorial.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories.
All right, you guys, what do you think of that fun little Christmas tree? I hope that you'll come back tomorrow for our second to last ornament in Craftmas. I can't believe we are almost there. I'll see you then. Bye for now.